Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles, part 31. Today we talk about the questions people usually ask me, different things, so let's see. From my kitchen team, usually they ask me, can I have my Saturday off? And I say, well, it depends, if we are very busy and if everybody comes to work, yeah, maybe one or two guys can take off. And returning, one week is this guy, the next week is the other guy, but it's not always the same. That they should understand. My guests usually ask me, when are you changing the menu? And I say, yeah, it depends on availability, but usually we have a change 4 times a year, but also depends what's available from the market. And then they all ask me about private parties. Do we do private parties? Yes, we do private parties, of course. My service staff ask me what's not available, and then I say, just look at the paper. Every day we prepare a paper, what's available, what's not available, and how many items we have, but they're still asking. My wife asks me, when is your day off? I say, well, let's see, if we're busy this Monday, I go to work. If we're not busy, I will be at home. That's how it works as a chef. From my family and friends, they always ask me, you look skinny, did you lose weight? I say, no, always the same, still 68, 69 kilo like for the last 20 years, nothing changed.